Hello everyone, my name is Ruben with Ruben's IT Lab. Today I'll be demonstrating how to convert any logo into a 3D printable logo. I'll be using Paint 3D, but any paint program can be used as long as it has a fill bucket. I'll also be using Tinkercad because of its simplicity, but any CAD program will work as well. So the first thing you want to do is get a white background. And obviously you see the red filled in here into each letter. You're going to want to turn that white as well. Because when we convert, anything that's black is what's going to be converted over. We're going to change this into an SVG file. So I'm just going to hit save here. Downloads. Okay, now it is saved as a white and black picture, which is what we're going to want. And right here I'm using Convertio. And as you see right here, I'm just going to change this into an SVG file. Just click convert. This takes about a minute. We're going to download this, put this in downloads folder. Then we're going to Tinkercad. This is a silhouette I made in a previous video. And it is meant for this exact logo. As you see here, it's importing. Finally imported. And here is the logo. You can stretch and size it however you'd like. Depending on what it's going to be used for, I like to make the top letters a 4 and the bottom a 3.25, so when I 3D print it, it's not too thick. So yeah, here you are. Here is the logo. It has the silhouette behind it, the logo itself. If you export, you can export as a STL, and now that's a 3D printable file.